Oscar the Ocelot and the Ford Fiesta to your far left is bickering with another driver. This is the first time I heard someone cussing in Spanish. Oscar the Ocelot still once more. This is the last we've seen of him.
That stupid ass.
This concludes for this video. Click on the bell, like, comment, subscribe, share, and be sure to watch other videos on this channel. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.